Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어.
I love it. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the vlog. Ayan, finally, we have a vlog today. Kumusta kayong lahat mga anti-kadayers? Uy, sorry. Kumusta kayong lahat? Hopefully everybody is okay. Mag-prefer lang ako ng lunch namin ni Mister. Magawa ako ng fried egg sa kanya. Tapos sa akin magluto ako ng magluto ako ng scrambled egg. Hala. Wala na pala tayong egg. Expect na kailangan ko palang ano pala din tayo mga antikels. Kailangan kong maglista ng egg kasi wala na pala din tayong egg. Day, ang bilis lang maubos ng ating egg. So sa akin, gagawa ako ng scramble. Tapos kay Mr. gagawa tayo ng fried egg. Kasi ay ilalagay niya yon sa kanyang dark bread mga antikels. Dalalawa kami ni Mr. kasi pag isa-isa lang sobrang bitin. Fried egg. Dahanan natin. Ow! So, alright mga Jai, doon tayo sa labas kakain para ma-enjoy namin yung moment. Samahan ko si Mr. doon. Bon appetit! Hala, wala naman dahil ko tuyo. Isa ko tuyo. So, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. Ang isa kay lumapit si Felix. Felix, come! Come! May plano si Mr. na bibili siya ng mga flowers. Meron pala akong isi-share sa inyo. Maraming nagtatanong sa inyo, how did we take care the petunia? How did we take care the flower? Actually, we buy that one mga antikels. We did not kuan that one kining. We did not plant that one from the small. So we buy that one and then it's like we buy it already with full of flowers. But my husband, he have like a chemical that he normally put. So So, yung flowers, mag-give siya ng maraming flowers. Ganon. Can you show me that, my love, please?
What?
I'm gonna show you something, the chemical. Yeah. But I want to be disclaimer, this is not sponsored. We buy this with our own money. So, this is the, we called abono. It's the same. So, this is what we use to make para dadami yung mga flowers. So, minimix namin to siya sa water. And I'm not sure how many times he put this one. So, merong mga guide dito kung ilang liters.
Not too much, it can stress the roots.
He said that you must, if you can, I'm sure if you have about flowers, you can buy this one to make the, para magano siya ng maraming flowers ba. So, ang recommended ni Mr. is you must not put too much para hindi daw ma-pressured ang root. So, it's like i-estimate nyo lang. So, yan yung, that's the secret of my husband, of his flowering. That's why you can see some of the plants, there's a lot of flowers. But I'm not the one who did that. He's the one who do that, all the chemical things. He's the plantito, not a plantita. I'm not really a gardener, you know. But I'm so thankful kasi I know na it's very rare na yung lalaki is mahilig mag-plant, mahilig sa mga garden things. It's very rare talaga yung mga ganyan, lalo na sa mga flower things. May mga, I'm sure there's some foreigner or man na who love a garden, like a garden things, like doing some garden things, but not too much in the flowers. So there's a different kind of man gardener. Charis. I'm so thankful kasi meron talaga siyang, he have so many idea, plenty of idea that he can create in his mind. But sometimes it become too much, you know. Because, you know, the more artist you are in your mind, the more, unsa ginaday ka nang, the more picky, or the more, kanang kung sa kuan pa ba kanang perfectionist. Hala, gilibak na ako akong bana, ay Marites, my husband is behind me. Hi! Hi, good auto! Good auto, feelings! Good auto! Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo. Ay, uga na ata ni. My love! Ito ko sinampay para mabilis siyang mauga. Anong nangyari dito, day? Bakit nagka-yellow to? Sa banyos. Ay, nako. Ang daming agenda ng aking asawa. Walang katapusang agenda.
I like to plant a red bougainvillea. Take from down there where they don't give flower and put it here.
Uy, ikaw na gyud. Are you sure? I know you love me. I know you care. Justin Bieber. You know it never, 'cause I'll be there. You had my heart, 'cause it never, ever, ever went to die. I need it that. Oh, nadyo mahugri swimming pool. My love, kuha na ni my love, oh. Kuha ang kuan ba? Ay, ambot niya, day. Di yun na siya mayroon na, day. Siya na, Jude. Mau na siya plantito. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo before na nawala yung ano ko, headset? Nakita ko lang pala siya, day. Nahulog, day siya. Buti na lang. Hindi siya nahulog sa kalsada. Nahulog siya sa Yung scooter ko kasi meron siyang clip ba na magnet. And then yung headset ko, ano kasi siya, parang mamagnet siya pag may magnet na makalapit sa kanya. So dun siya dumikit. Dun siya dumikit. Dumikit, kit. Dun siya dumikit. Ala. Hoy. Ay! Felix! So, mag-turn around tayo, walking around tayo sa labas ng bahay. Kaya pala, nag-wonder ako kanina ba, bakit? Parang pakiramdam ko, parang humina yung ano ko. Parang naka-feel ako dahil ng, anong tawag nito mga antikels, yung weak ba? Parang naka-feel ako ng weak. Parang naluya ako. Sus, pagkita ko mga antikada, kanina lang mga ilang oras lang, nag-vibrate yung palm ko mga antikels. Nakalimutan ko pala siyang palitan kahapon. So, sobrang super low na ng aking medication. And actually, let's go doon sa baba kasi kanina nagtapon ako ng basura. Malapit, muntik akong na-disgrasya day. Uy, ginoo ko. Kaya diba sabi ko na sa inyo before na yung brake ng aking scooter is need na talaga siyang anong tawag nito? Ay, kining ipa-tight ba? Hindi ko pa kasi yan pinatight-tight. Uy, kanina nagtapon ako ng basura day. Muntikan akong doon sa ay. So, i-check ko ito. Dabi. Ay, tight naman di ay. Tight na siya day. Hadlo ko kaganiha ay. Takot ako ba? Akala ko hindi pa naman ako naka-helmet, no? Ang ginawa ko na lang mga antikels, alam nyo kung anong idea ko. Binangga ako doon sa gilid ng ng kalsada kasi may parang stop siya sa gilid ba. So doon ko binangga yung scooter mga antikels para ma-stop lang yung kuan, pero yun na nga nagasgas lang. Yan yung ni Mr. sa akin. Sabi sa akin na dapat talaga ako mag-careful. So ano na naman yung plano mo diyan?
This one is too big. I could lift it up though to crawl up over the lamp.
Alam nyo ba na po problema siya kasi hindi daw namulaklak day. Dong baka hindi pa sa panahon sa ting buntis po ana dong. Maybe it's not the time for being pregnant. That's why there's no flower. My love.
No, it doesn't get enough sun, that's why.
No, it's not pregnant yet. It's not pregnant ba?
She's 5 years old now.
It's not pregnant yet. That's why there's no flower. You need to pregnant first. Love, you have to get pregnant first. Hala, noon sa Manila. It's red lagi. You need to get pregnancy first. Meron silang kung may love, they have a banana ba? Leave for banana. Tignan nyo yung dahi, oh. Meron silang dahon sa banana. Meron din silang puso before. Laki ng nila, oh, cactus. Maybe the small one, it's much easier.
You see out there where it gets more sun, there's some flower.
My love is the same, my love. Oy, the sun is everywhere. Ikaw ra ginagkuan. It's not pregnant lagi. Amo di mo, magtapon ako ng basura. It's okay now, my scooter. I can finish the trash. Ay, mamaya na lang, oy, maybe in the afternoon. It's very hot. So, tayo na, libot-libot tayo ito. Alsahin ko na lang to doon. I put this in front so I can throw this one, my love. Put it, go to the scooter. Uy, I can throw this one. I I can bring it to the trash directly. Cause the mosquito. The mosquito ba, it will live on it. Ang lemon namin, it's still greeny. Look. Dito si Felix, oh. Laging laging nag-i-standby. Lang! Hala! Ang daming ants! What happened? Hala po?
Now this one. It's full of water.
No, my love.
No, it's not. It's not that much. No, okay. Leave it for the trash.
My love, I think you should just keep that one.
Huh?
You just keep that one, my love.
No, this rainwater is hard to get to and it don't have any minerals, so it's not good for the plants.
Love me, I know you care, you know whenever, 'cause I'll be there. You have a Welcome to the Garden of Flowers, Charis. So, dito palagi si Mr. magkakalkal ng kanyang mga kakulian sa buhay. O, tignan nyo naman yan, Day. Tignan nyo, kinuha niya yung ilalagyan niya ng tubig sa sa rainy water kasi puyaan mo siya glamok. I film you. Nah, my love, it's gonna be stinky. It's gonna be stinky minky. And where are you gonna put that?
Near the car, so you can throw the trash in there.
No, it's not good, my laboy. And then if you throw the trash there, and then you forgot, and then it will get stink. Because it will get all messy. Cannot. I rather throw the trash. Because there's a worm on it. Ay, come up, be. Uy, kabaho. Ani, my love, stink. Alright, everyone. That's it for today. Hopefully, meron kayong mga natutunan sa ating kaganapan for today. I mean, meron kayong surprise or update sa aming buhay. So, yeah. That's our a day in a life. Pag dito lang kami sa bahay. And wala masyadong flower for now. So, magantay tayo in the next few months. Baka meron na namang mga flowers na magsilabasan. So actually, ang agenda ni Mr. is nag-ano lang kasi siya sa kanyang garden. Nag-fixing around kasi lagi lang siyang nasa loob. So, para hindi siya maboboard, andun siya nag-fixing around sa kanyang mga kaganapan. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and comment down below if you have any suggestion or idea na gusto nyong pag-uusapan or pagchikahan. Bye! Adios!
You're where I belong.